Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2021 Exotics 5-pack. The Bugatti Chiron is gonna make this Exotics 5-pack one of the best we've seen in a while. It's right up there with this Lamborghini 5-pack that we just saw also. You can always check out my video on this Lamborghini 5-pack. If you're wondering why the Lamborghini 5-pack's in the background, it's because I'm gonna be racing these in a separate video. So let's open up this 2021 HW Exotics 5-pack. So on the front, it shows the cars, then it shows the Jaguar on the side, then it says HW Exotics. And since this is an international pack, it doesn't show the cars in the set. So let's open this up. So let's start from the bottom up. So the first car is a 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. So this car is dark red. Then you can see the white circle, and the gray rims, and then the white stripe on the hood. It says Project 7. Then here's the interior, all black, and then the back. This Jaguar was designed by Ryu Asada in 2015. We have seen it many times since then, and it's even been an ID car. So next up is a Lotus Esprit. So this car is fully white, then it has the white rims also, then it has a dark green stripe, then a little bit to the right of the middle. I do wish if this was a different color, because the dark green doesn't really go well with the white. Maybe if it was like black, then it would go good. But I'm pretty sure they're just making it green because the Lotus logo is green. This car was designed by Fraser Campbell in 2002. We don't see this car too often, and don't get confused with the Esprit S1, which does not have a wing. So next up is a Lamborghini Veneno. So this car is purple, it has the Italian stripes on the side, white outline around the rims. And this has always been one of my favorite cars, so maybe some brighter colors would look better on this car, but I definitely know Stradman would like the purple on the Veneno. Then it has the white on the hood, the gray base. And then we've only seen this car one time as a premium model in the Gran Turismo set. So they should definitely make this as a premium more often, because I'm sure they can do really good designs with it. The Lamborghini Veneno has always been a hit with collectors. This was designed in 2018 by Kevin Cow. Lately, this has only been seen as a 5 or multi-pack exclusive. Hopefully we will see it more in premium versions. So the next car is the Aston Martin V8 Vantage. So this car is fully green, then it has a yellow stripe right down the middle, Aston Martin logo, the headlights. I'm not a big fan of the colors that they used. Like maybe white and black would go good, or some lighter and darker colors. And then if they could have used like maybe black rims, it would have been a lot better. But still, this car is pretty cool. The V8 Vantage was designed by Mark Jones, and we often see it in these exotic 5-packs. In fact, this is the 5th time it's been put into a 5-pack. 4 are in the exotic 5-packs, and 1 was in the Dream Garage 5-pack. So the moment we've all been waiting for, the Bugatti Chiron. So this car is a light blue, then it has white rims, and the white for the C, the outline. Then it has an even lighter blue base. And this is the 4th time we've seen this car. The 3 other times are in the background right here. We've seen it first as a dark blue, then as a black, and then as a Zamac. But this car just looks really good. If they made it better, they could have done maybe some stripes right down the middle. So then here's the logo. I wish it would have headlights, but we're gonna see that soon to come in a 2021 car culture set. This car was designed by Ryu Asada. What is interesting is that when we first saw sneak peeks of this car in 2019, it was in this blue color. As I mentioned, we will see this car in a premium car culture set soon. Mattel is waiting for final approval from Bugatti before more details are released. Stay tuned and I'll let you know when I'm allowed to. Also, There are a few rumors that this will be a 2021 Super. Let's hope so. Let me know in the comments what colors you would like to see on future Bugatti Chirons. So my favorite car out of these 5 is definitely the Bugatti Chiron, but then out of all 4 Bugattis that they've made, I definitely would choose the Zamac one, and then right behind it, this new Exotics 5-pack one. I just think the colors and the design for the Zamac one go way better than this one, but I do prefer the wheels more, because I really like these rims compared to these. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me your favorite car is out of this 2020 HW Exotics 5-pack.